How to fix REDnote app not working. Now, if your REDnote application is not working on your mobile devices, there are simple ways in order to fix this problem. Now, the reason why it is not working on your mobile devices is because you might not have the latest version installed to your mobile device. Now, to fix this, you can just navigate through your app downloader. This can be the Play Store or the App Store depending on the device that you are using. In my case, since I'm using an Android device, you want to go ahead and open up the App Store for the mobile device right here. Once inside, you can just go ahead and search for REDnote, and from here you want to make sure that there are no update buttons available on this screen right here. Now, if the problem persists, you can just go ahead and click on the uninstall button, because we might actually not have installed the application properly on the first time installing the app. So you can just go ahead and make sure to install the application properly this time. You can do that by completely uninstalling the application. Click on install to reinstall the application once more. Now, after doing this, it will install a fresh and updated copy of REDnote, fixing the problem in your case. If this video has been helpful, leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.